We back at it like a crack addict. Dead homies. Okay, y'all, the food is done cooking, so we finna sit here and make my brother his plate. Start off with the meat, baby. There's some meat. I'm gonna add some more later on in the video. And we're just adding the beans, because you need beans for everything, baby. You gotta bean it all just to beat a bean. You just gotta add the yams, because you gotta yam it up, y'all. Just slap on. But my favorite part, the shrimp. And we also gotta add, the barbecue. That's what I meant, the barbecue. And this is what I made today. And we gonna go deliver it. Okay, go ahead, try it. Tell them how it is. How is it?
Nasty.
Bitch, fuck you. Y'all know it's good. Anyways, I'll be back like a crack at it one day.